Cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you. 1 Peter chapter 5, verse 7. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is JaKayla if you're new, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful summertime vacation hairstyle. So a few things before we get started. This is kind of sort of a tutorial, not really a tutorial, but this video I feel like it's definitely helpful because I was trying to find like videos and stuff, and I don't know, like it was helpful but not really. So I hope this video is helpful. I did my hair using 4 different colors. So I used 27, 30, 1B30, sorry, not 1B30, 430, and 613. So I showed you guys in the video, and if I figure out how to do timestamps down below, or like chapters is I think what YouTube calls it, I will do that down below so you guys can just fast forward to that part of the video of when I show you guys how I blend the hair. In that blending part I didn't have the number 30 because I forgot that I had it, but the number 30 is literally in the front and in the back of my head, but towards the middle I don't have it because I forgot that I had it. But yeah, so in that blending video, I only showed me blending with 3 colors, but I did initially start off with 4 different colors. So I blended the hair, and when I got probably like right here, I started to add just a 613 by itself, just so at the ends, it's just like a solid 613, because I wanted my hair to look like this, like a complete ombre with dark roots and pretty much white ends. My hair is relaxed, so what there's that. My hair was 3 weeks post relaxer when I started braiding my hair. It took me 4 days in total. Probably each day it took me like 5-6 hours because I was going into work. So I would like go to work, braid my hair, and then kind of just do that for those entire 4 days. It took me a good little minute. And it was so exhausting braiding my hair, but I'm glad I did it. So in total it probably took me like a full 24 hours to do this because the braids are tiny, and I haven't braided my hair since I was relaxed. So probably it's been like a year now since I've braided my hair like this, because I used to wear braids all the time, and when I did wear braids they were short braids, so I haven't did long braids in a good little minute. So I'll link a knotless hair video that I did in the past. I'll put it on the screen, and then I'll link it down below so you guys can view that video if you guys plan on doing this similar hairstyle but doing them knotless, because these are not knotless. These are regular smuggler box braids. And I'm not gonna speak for everybody because I feel like my hair is relaxed and I feel like it's just tougher to do knotless braids. I feel like when my hair was natural, it was definitely a lot easier because my hair was a lot stronger and could take that, and it was a lot thicker. And it could be because of the length of my hair. Back then when I was doing that, my hair was probably like 5-ish, maybe 6 inches, but my hair is definitely not that long right now. The top of my hair is probably like 4 inches long, and then the back is probably like 1 inch because I have a pixie cut. I will put a picture of what my hair looks like on the screen. So yeah, natural, these are not knotless. I show you guys in the video how I blended the hair, and oh, I did not show how I curled the hair, but when I initially curled my hair, I just had it like straight out of like me finishing braiding my hair, and then I put the flexi rods on it, and then I dipped it in hot water. I do not recommend that. I feel like my hair was really frizzy, and I had to put mousse and stuff on it, and I've never had to do that before. So I redid it, but I did my hair, made it straight, and then I went through and then added the flexi rods and then dipped it again, and that made my hair a lot more manageable and definitely not nearly as frizzy as it was before. So definitely do that before. Just dip your hair straight and then go through and add the flexi rouge and then dip it again. But yeah, that is my hair. I love it so freaking much. Sorry, I'm just like keep staring, but she's like so cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys do enjoy this video, please give it a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you guys want to see my face again. All right, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so first things first, I had to rehydrate, and I'm just showing you guys the hair, 613, 27, and 427, which I didn't know that was 427. But yeah, right now I'm not going to show you guys how I blend them because I already have hair that's already pre-blended. But I will show you guys that later. So I don't have a braiding rack, so I am just separating them small pieces because I like my braids to be very small because my hair isn't that long, and I am just moving it over to that ledge so I can just grab it easily later. And then I'm also separating the blonde pieces that are gonna go towards the end because that's just gonna make it longer, and then it's gonna give it that, you know, that ombre effect. So right here, I'm trying to show you guys that I did the brick method, and that I left my edges out because I'm not trying to braid those up. And like I mentioned before, these are not knotless braids. These are the regular knotless or the regular knotted braids. So I just take the 3 pieces and then just braid it into my hair. The middle piece is where my hair was, and then I just braid like normal. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I do that, and then later I just show you guys that I add the blonde piece kind of towards the end, and I just finish it off by knotting it. So here you guys can see that I just added on both sides that blonde piece, and then I just braid using that middle piece, and I just continue to braid, and that's how I add in the blonde pieces towards the end. Okay, y'all, it's been a minute. I stopped filming because my little brother was talking to me because he's over for spring break. But so far, here's this side with the other side. And I'm going to do this row. I'm going to finish this row tonight, and then yeah, the goal is to finish this tomorrow. So here I am showing you guys how I blend the hair. So I am taking the 427, the 27, and the 613, and I am taking majority of the 613 and then half of the 27 and then half of the 427. So there you guys can see all of them, and then I'm literally just pulling them apart, mixing them in, pulling them apart. I watched a YouTube video on how to do this, and homegirl did it for like 45 minutes. I probably only did this for like 10 minutes. And I definitely could have blended it more, but like here and there you also want to brush, like I'm showing you guys. This can get really messy, and I feel like I was losing a lot of hair, but that's the end result. I could have went longer, but I did not. So here I'm just showing you guys how it looks. My parts are really small, kind of just giving you guys a 360 and then showing you guys how it lays in the back, and you can see like that last little part. Look, I got an undercut. I couldn't braid that because of my short haircut. And then this is how long it is. This is before I curled it. And yeah, so she's not too long, but she's not short. Like, she's long. She's long. I love it. So, as we can see, the hair is done finally. It took me in total 4 days to do my hair. And that's just way too long to be braiding these braids, and they're not even braided all the way down to the bottom. So here's the final result of how long they are. The ombre, I literally love them so freaking much. Oh my gosh, it's just I'm in love. So yeah, if you guys have any questions for how I did my hair, let me know and I will try to answer them. Again, my hair is relaxed. I have a pixie cut. It is really short in the back. It's probably about 1 inch, and it is longer towards the top. When I did my hair, I was 3 weeks post relaxers, and now I'm like 4 weeks, and I don't plan on taking these out until after my honeymoon. We're going on our honeymoon May 19th. I'm so excited. So that's for about like a week or so, and I'll probably keep it in for, I don't know, I really don't know. So far it's only been a week, and we don't leave until like 4 weeks from now, so I'll probably have these braids in for like 6-8 weeks, not really sure. But I love it so freaking much. You guys see the edges, and I have not relaxed my edges yet, but I am gonna relax them right before we leave. But they look pretty good. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you guys want to see my face again, and leave a comment down below if you guys want to. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a blessed day. Bye.